Hi Anjali, welcome to Designer Diaries with VLCC.
It's great to be doing a concept like this because it's not just about the outfit, it's about the overall look. And I think blending the two concepts together works really well.
I'm here at the Anjali and Arjun store, and they're the finest designers when it comes to couture and bridal dresses. So tell me Anjali, what would you like us at VLCC to do for your brides?
So when it comes to really creating the overall look, besides of course us conceptualizing our clothes and everything, makeup and hair plays a very important role. And I just feel you of course have to highlight your eyes, which has to be very dramatic, but overall the look has to be soft and dewy, because no matter it could be the wedding day or the reception or the cocktail, the girl has to look soft and pretty. I think that's a look which kind of goes really well, and it's something which kind of gels with our kind of environment and all our functions.
So I'm going to create a look that's going to be very grand, very couture, very bridal, yet retain the softness of her features. So Anjali, I look forward to creating that.
And I am so looking forward to seeing the finale, the final look on the girl.
Yes, I think we'll get started on that. So as we decided, it's going to be drama all the way, but it's not your regular drama. We're going to do double the lashes, double the liner, and double the shimmer. No makeup is ready to get started without a primer, so let's begin with that. After the primer, we're going to begin with the eyeshadow. There's no dramatic look that's complete without gold shimmer, and that's exactly what I'm putting on Sneha's eyes. We're going to start with the highlighting. I'm going to add a little maroon on the corner of the eye and extend it a little more to create the extra drama. And now I'm just dabbing the glitter on the eyes. Just brush it off from the under eye. So now I'll be adding a definition under the eyes. I'm going to add a maroon on the under of the eye just to make it a little more dramatic. Something that always adds more drama is mascara. So that's what we're doing right now. And now it's time to do the lashes. For this look, we've gone ahead with double layered lashes. Now that the lashes are done and I've put on lenses for her, it's time to do some kajal. It's time to begin with the base. I've added a little moisturizer to the orange pigment. Helps blend better. And now I'm going to seal the base with some powder. We're going to do some contouring. Even though Sneha has the perfect nose, I'm still going to contour it to give it that extra sharpness. Time for a little more powder. We move ahead with the blush. This look would be incomplete without using a highlighter. For the lips, we're going to go ahead with red. Now that we're done with the makeup, we're going to begin with the hair. Anjali, so now that your bride is ready, what do you think?
She's a stunner.
So Anjali, on your runway shows, what kind of makeup do you like? Do you think this kind of look would work for it?
I just feel if a bride is coming too professional for her D-Day, it has to be definitely a statement in terms of the clothes, in terms of the way she does her makeup, and in terms of the way she has done her hair. Just the normal thing, she could just go anywhere. So I guess, you got to give that little edge which a bride will not easily find anywhere else.
Just like Anjali said, for that extra edge, walk into any of the VLCC centers near you and we'll be happy to help you out for your bridal day.